Hello YouTube, welcome to the Eugene Twitter YouTube channel. Today I'm going to try and cut open this torque converter. So, if you want to find out what's going on with this torque converter and why I'm going to cut it open, I'll try and provide a link somewhere up there to all my blown transmission videos. And hopefully you'll be able to see them all. But this is the torque converter out of my 90 Corvette. I got that all covered up because this is going to get messy probably. I should probably drill a hole in there and drain the remaining oils in there out, but heck, what the heck, let's make a mess. But anyway, I chucked it up in my lathe because of the way my lathe is, the shop task, which is like a milling machine lathe combination. No way I can just use a cutting tool, at least not with what I have, to cut that open. So what I'm going to do is spin that in the lathe and run this sucker and make sparks fly. So this should be pretty good. So I guess let's get cutting. I made one heck of a big mess. Woo! Without a doubt. Got oil everywhere. Okay. I'm making a mess here with my camera. Okay, this is the clutch that goes inside the torque converter. And here, you can see where something sheared off in here. Shortly, there we go. Look at that. That sheared off. This is not part of the transmission, by the way. This is the part where the transmission shaft, input shaft, engages. This part should be connected to this. So something inside this torque converter definitely did lock up. Now I got to see if I can get that open. That's going to take a little bit, the way I cut this. I have to do a little more machining here, it looks like. Okay, it looks like it might be coming off here soon now. I hope. That did it. Yep, I say so indeed. You can definitely see where this piece should be attached there, busted off. Okay, something went amiss there, causing it to snap. But at least I know what broke in the trans. Oh well. Now I got this big, giant mess to clean up, now that I know. Yeah, I do need a big mess. Definitely a big mess to clean up. All this oil, the lathe, I got to get that cleaned up. Get all this grinding disc material from the cutting disc, which isn't good for my lathe at all, actually. Get it all cleaned up, but at least I know what broke. Oh well. That's that's what the inside of my torque converter looks like. I hope everybody has a happy YouTube day. Subscribe, hit the subscription and the notification bell. You can find out how my transmission build goes when I finally get it back in the car. It'll be after the first of the year, hopefully before spring. So everybody have a happy YouTube day. Have a Merry Christmas, and God bless.